What's up, everyone? Let's take a look at this amazing stock. I talked about this about a couple weeks ago, a week or two ago on this channel. And look at this thing now, Vtgn Vtgn. I said that this stock was looking really good. Look at this upward channel sitting in front of you on the screen here. Look at the red diagonal lines. That stock in the last 2 or 3 days, last 2 days, absolutely a ripper, guys. I actually added, if you look to the right of the screen, you'll see I'm up $220 on this stock. When I first took the position on the stock, it was kind of a smallish position, 300 shares. And then yesterday, I added another 100 shares because I could see this thing was beginning to really take off. Look at that. My goodness, up today, 9.5%, guys. That is a huge percentage gain for a stock trading at $3 in the $3 range. Absolutely amazing. What a ripper. Now, if you look all the way back in May, you'll notice this thing was way down by down in the $2 range in late April. And then going into May, it basically did the same we were seeing it do right now. It just had a huge breakout to the upside and broke out all the way up to about the 250 area. But by then, the momentum was up. It did do a big pullback there in the middle of May, but it's important to see as we go into this upward channel, what you're going to notice is that look at the 3 lows along the bottom line, the bottom red line near the white 50-day moving average. Each of those lows that come down and touch that red line, there's one in the middle of May, there's one in the beginning of June, and then there was one that just happened at the very end of June. Okay, you'll notice that each of those times that the pricing action came down and touched this red line, each low was higher than the previous low. Okay, that's important. So we call that higher lows. Each time it comes down, you check to see if the lows are higher than the previous low. Okay, look at the highs. Same thing. Early part of May, we can see the high. And then there was another high like late May, came up and touched the red line. Now look at where we're at today. Look at this thing. It's following exactly what you would see in an upward channel. That's why I drew the 2 red lines. This is exactly the behavior we notice in stocks that follow a channel. Sometimes channels go down, sometimes channels go up. This is an upward channel. Okay? It even has a little bit of a widening channel as it's going up. Now we're going to see if this stock will continue to go up and touch the upper part of this channel, which, tomorrow, Monday, whatever, going next week, it might pull back because this has a lot of momentum going right now. But this thing broke out so hard to the upside, even if it pulls back, guys. This thing is off to the races, okay? I talked about last time, I'll mention it again here, that this stock had FDA approval for phase 3 depression drug. That's what these guys do. They're pharmaceutical therapeutics, okay? So they got approval from the FDA to do phase 3. Okay, they just came out with their earnings. Okay, you can see the earnings down there in the bottom. They lost like 4.5 cents. This company's like barely losing money, guys. When you see a biomedical corporation barely losing money, that's actually a good sign. When they're making money, of course, it's better. But this, you got to understand, this is a stock trading at $3, right? So this is one of those low price stocks that has the potential to absolutely rip. The other thing that came out in the news recently, back in late June, was they are going to be listed in the Russell 2000. They're going to become part of the Russell 2000 index. That is absolutely huge, and that's part of the reason why we see this stock going up. Okay, they got phase 3 approval on their depression drug. They're going to be listed in the Russell 2000. Some people can get confused. What does it mean? I thought they traded on Nasdaq. Just understand they're going to be part of the Russell 2000. Okay, that's pretty big. That's huge. So this stock has so much upward potential, and it's really beginning to shine, right? This baby is up. I mean, just think about it, guys. This thing is up 9.5% in one day. Just in the last 2 days, it went from $2.50 almost all the way to $3.50, almost a $1 gain in 2 days. Monstersville. So, you know, of course, guys and gals, I always said in all my videos, I don't give out financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this stock or sell or anything. I'm just sharing with you what I do, and I might even add another 100 shares to this position. That's probably what I'm going to do. I might wait for it to pull back a little bit. I'm not sure yet, but I already added 100, I think, earlier this week because I just knew this thing was going to pop. And sure enough, look at this baby, Popsville. What a ripper. Okay. You know, hindsight's always 2020. I say this all the time. You know, what if I wish I put up 10,000 share. I should have bought 10,000 share. You know how it is. But anyway, what a great little stock. This thing's going to continue to rip. I'm not going to show on the screen, but I'm just going to briefly mention ARLP continues to show tremendous strength for you. All those that follow my videos as I put them out once in a while. Go back and look at ARLP. I'll put a link in the description. But you can even just look whether you're whatever broker you're using, or you're going to use a you could just go to your favorite search engine and type in ARLP and look at that thing. That thing is another monster coal stock that's absolutely ripping. Oil, by the way, is today went over $75. It's really close. If it breaks above, I think it's 75.90 or 76.90. I think it broke above 76.90 today. You're gonna make me pull this thing up. Y'all making me pull this thing up. Yeah, 76.22 was a high today for crude oil. And I'm telling you right now, it pulled back a little bit today after hitting that high of 76.22. That's a 2021 high, by the way. If crude oil gets above 76.90, I mentioned this before, which it's really close. It's just a few pennies away from doing that. If it gets above 76.90, guys and gals, watch out. There's no resistance between 76.90 all the way up to like $100. And I fully expect crude oil to go 80, 90, $100. Okay, it's going to happen. And you can see here in the United States of America, you're going to see oil, gas prices at the gas station, especially on the West Coast like California, they're going to hit $5. It's coming. Okay, it's coming. Crude oil is going to go ballistic. That's why I like ARLP, because crude oil tends to pull up some coal stocks. In this case, it's pulling up ARLP with it because it's also in the energy sector. This thing is a ripper. Okay, but today I wanted to just cover VTGN, guys and gals. This stock is the way to go. I would consider, if I were you, make your own decisions. Okay. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click that subscribe button. Okay, because you see what I'm talking about here, right? I mean, you can see on the screen right there that I'm actually holding this position. I'm already profitable. You know, I'm not one of these people that gets on YouTube or makes videos and says, "Oh, look, this stock did really good," and then don't show anybody whether or not I lost money or made money. Okay. If you don't know, I only take positions in stocks that are in strong sectors. Okay. And I have a subscription service. It's not my subscription service, but I subscribe to a subscription service that really helps out with me pulling and picking the best stocks. Okay, so this is one of them I'm sharing with you. I picked this one out a couple weeks ago. I thought it was looking really good. I liked what I saw. I liked the upward trend, and sure enough, this thing is a ripper. Okay, guys and gals, listen, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that little bell icon. You get notified of the videos as I put them out. Hope you all having a great day and a blessed day. We'll talk to you again real soon next time.